I think we all seen these guys that show up at the track and the trails, and it looks like they don't even use their bikes. They just look brand spanking new, like they just left the showroom floor. Well, there is a secret to it, guys, and I'll show you how do you do it. There's this spray, and there is two ways to use this spray. You can either spray it and leave it on, and that will keep your mud and dirt from sticking to it and make it a lot easier to wash. Or you can do it like I did on mine. Spray it, leave it for like a minute, and then wipe it off with a rag, and that will make it look super shiny, super glossy, and restore the plastics. It makes it look brand new, guys. It's amazing how it works, how well it works. And that's SC1. It's made by Maxima, and it's amazing. I tried different ones, and I think this is my favorite one so far, and also it smells great. So guys, if you wanna grab some of this, I will post the link in the description. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned because we are leaving to West Virginia soon, so that video is coming. Subscribe.